guys, we're the Everywhere family. We live in our RV full time. It's about to be winter and we're actually going to stay up north this season. So the temperatures are currently dropping into the low 50 degrees right now. So we went and got an air skirt and we're gonna test it out for you guys. We're gonna set it up and review it and let you know how it works to insulate our giant fifth wheel.
Alright guys, so we got 5 packages in total and we're just gonna go from smallest to largest. Let's see what's going on here.
So actually our RV is 46 feet and it's the biggest one that Air Skirts has made an air skirt kit for. So awesome. Typically they don't come with like a mapped out area of where the pieces are supposed to go, but I guess because ours is so big, and if you have a huge one too that won't fit the typical air skirting
triple axle covers.
Nice.
That's awesome.
I was just talking a bunch of gibberish.
Oh, these must be the bags.
These are the bags.
Awesome. I love storage bags, guys. That's a big deal on move day. Big deal. Alright, so that was a small box.
I think in total this weighs about 120 pounds, so if you're going to be storing this in your RV, it's good to know how much it weighs.
Right. But it's good that they give you 3 bags and not one large one.
Right.
Because if you have all that weight, you can distribute it throughout the trailer however you see fit. So that is what I like about it. Bags. Might have to get those for laundry day. They're nice.
Alright, so where's the box? Let's keep the garbage away.
It's like Christmas.
This is what the triple axle wheel cover looks like. That is huge.
That is huge.
We're going to be testing everything out. I'm not sure that this is released yet. I think we got like kind of a demo. So we're going to get back to Jim and he's going to figure out if it was a perfect fit or not.
Now, generally I would be using a knife, but I don't even want to take that risk.
Yeah, exactly.
I was just thinking about that before we started. Oh, yeah. Ooh, look.
What is it?
It's a buffer
pillow. All right, we have to find where the layout instructions are.
Ooh, that's a big one. What are those for? And, oh, tire wedge.
Oh, look, here it is. The welcome kit. So
Nice.
This welcome kit is going to have, this is pretty awesome. Look at this.
Okay.
It shows you exactly, I'm gonna go show the camera. So again, you won't get this.
And it gives you a pump. That's nice.
For every RV, but this is kind of like a diagram of where they should go. So these are 4 feet, 6 feet, 8 feet. Again, in the back, the tires are gonna have the tire wedges and the tire cover.
All these tire wedges. That's awesome.
All right, let's see what else this has. It has the owner's manual. Read it carefully. What's included? Sharp edge tape protector. The edge protectors, everything is in here. These are carabiners and straps to connect them. More carabiners and straps. This is a pressure release valve wrench.
Oh, that's good to go around and just open them.
Yeah, so it comes with literally everything you need to know. The tire covers, tire wedges, buffer pillow, and the stair pillow. Okay, so use our buffer pillows to fill in irregular areas or recesses on and around your RV's chassis. And the stair pillow, certain types of RV stairs, those welded under the frame, will leave a gap below the stairs. Our stair pillows used to fill that gap. That is awesome. And a skylight insulator. So that's good to have. Okay, so here it is. Step 1, unpack and position the tubes. And then do the tire wedges, the tire covers, partially inflate and position, and then inflate all the tubes. And then you can do the stair pillow. You can see that right there. And then the buffer pillows, air lights, and reflectix. All right, so looks pretty good. There's an affiliate program too, so if you buy these, you can join the affiliate program. So wait to the end. We have a discount code for you to use for our affiliate link. What is this one? Oh, they gave us some.
Like a tumbler.
Awesome. There are a bunch of awesome extras that we got too. Here is an Air Skirts tumbler bottle. Super cool. This says it's a mug. I'll check that out while you're opening the rest of the skirts.
Oh, a moose.
A moose for Reiki. Perfect.
Okay, this is a 6-foot 34 inch diameter. Nice. That's a big size. Alright, so where should I put all this stuff?
Let's see this awesome mug first. Super cool. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
I love this mug.
That's
a big mug. All right.
Good coffee mug right there.
Perfect. So then of course we have the air pump, the tire wedges, all of that. So
oh my goodness.
we're gonna go off of this and start at the front. We need a 6x34. They're all by 34 inches. So at the front we'll do a 6x34. Where'd you see that?
I didn't open up that box yet, so
Okay.
I haven't seen it yet.
What'd you see, a 4?
They're all 6. Oh, this is a 4-foot. You said you needed a what?
A 6.
This is a 6-foot. 4-foot. This is a 4-foot. This is a 6-foot right here.
Okay.
And then this one it also is.
All right, so this is what we're gonna do.
These are all 4.
We're gonna do 6 at the front,
Let me see.
and then 4, 6, 8. 6 at the front, 4, 6, 8 to the tires, and then after the tires, 6, 4, and 8 across the back.
Okay.
All right, so let's start laying them out. We'll do 6 at the front. Where's the 6? Yep. 6 foot. These are awesome that they're labeled like this. You can see super easily that they're labeled. It says 6 foot 34 inch diameter skirt tube. So I'm gonna go lay that out.
Okay, and I'll be right there.
Now I need a 6 here and on the other side. something that I love about these air skirts is that it is a super durable PVC material. I don't even know if you can tell on the camera right now, but these are thick. They are military grade. As you can see, we're staying on a rock site right now, and they told us it doesn't even matter. We can inflate them and they're practically puncture resistant. So these are super good quality. They are heat welded, and yeah, we shouldn't have any issues with these for years.
That's what I'm thinking.
All right, let's go.
Awesome.
All right, so something else that I noticed that might seem like a minor detail, but is actually super important so you don't have to redo them. Make sure the words are facing outside because the air pump holes are right here. So you want to make sure these are facing the outside. That way you can pump them up easily and not have to worry about redoing them. So just make sure the words are facing out. All right, step number 2 are the tire wedges. It says that they're not compatible with X chocks, and if you do use wheel chocks, make sure they're on the outside of the tires, not on the inside. All right, so something that I wanted to mention with these is that there's 2 lines on the inside of this valve. If you line them up with this right here, it just goes straight into it, and you twist it to the right, and it locks into place. Now it won't fall off. You can inflate it without having to hold it. Now let's say I inflated it too much, it won't fit in the hole. What do? You push this little valve and it lets the air out. You can get it to however much you want. If you think it'll fit right in there like this, you put it back in, twist the knob, and fill it up.
Perfect. So how does this go on? Like this? Okay. Okay. Heck yeah.
Pull yours around more so it looks tight, that back corner. Yeah, there you go.
Nice. All right, now for the official. Starting on the actual air skirts for the RV. Twist that in. No, I'm saying you want to push it in?
No.
That's absolutely.
Wow, see, I was nervous because we're actually in a pretty unlevel site right now, and this is tall, but I am pleasantly surprised. It looks like it fits good. It is in there. And they also mentioned that you don't want to inflate these too much because they are strong enough to lift the RV. I know that sounds insane, but these things are strong.
also, I wanted to mention, I'm gonna push this one a little bit back because I have a water hose that goes up in there, so, and also this muffler. So I'm gonna push it back a little bit, but they'll still be connected.
I just wanted to give a little update. It has been up for a little bit over a week now, and we are currently getting the remnants of Hurricane Ophelia in Pennsylvania right now. So it has been storming here for the past 2 days straight. But I just wanted to show you that these are still intact. They do lose a little bit of air as it gets colder. It's in the low 50s right now, but as you can see, they are still stuck in place. Like if I try to kick them, move them, they're not going anywhere. They are still insulating the RV even though they've lost a little bit of air. And if you notice, these are our sewer hoses and it's totally fine. The inflatable tubes kind of like shape around them. So it literally doesn't affect use at all, and it still is insulating our RV. So I kind of just wanted to show what they looked like after they've been up for a week in 40 and 50 degree weather. They're still looking good. And we haven't had to refill them or anything. So I do highly recommend these air skirts. I think they're great. Oh, the one thing that I did want to mention is that when we put these up, I would recommend doing this end one before you do the sides, because we put these side ones up first, and when it was time to do this one, it was kind of like too far out. So in the video, my husband removed the license plate. That was a one-time thing. We're not going to make that mistake again. So when you install it, I would install this one first, because then you can kind of just finagle these a little bit further back. Instead of having this one up here, we would have it a little bit further back, maybe 6 inches further under the, behind the tires. This one would be scooted a little bit. That way this one wouldn't be poking out the back at all. So that's the only thing that we did that I would do differently next time. But they're still good to go. They're working great. The house is noticeably warmer than it is in here. I mean, I'm freezing out here. So yeah, that's the air skirts week and a half update.